The calendar allows you to track events with your library or areas that you may be responsible for. You have the ability to create location groups with multiple options within that group. For example, if you are responsible for monitoring signups for 3 computer labs, you can create computers as a group and label each computer lab within that group. There are a variety of calendar layouts that can be used to view signed up events: the month, the weekly agenda, the weekly list, the daily agenda, the daily outlook, and the master list. Events can be tagged with specific locations, and those locations can easily be filtered by clicking on the group title or by deactivating certain group items. You have the ability to require an approval before an event becomes active. When you accept or deny an event, you will be given the opportunity to create a custom message back to the person that signed up. Section provides you with a public-facing URL to be used for a read-only view of the monthly calendar layout. Embed code is also provided. Configuration allows you to toggle layouts that you want to use as well as rank them in the order that you want them. You will also be able to configure some time specifics for certain layouts. The event method can be altered here as well. By default, the events will be an overlay that slides on top of the calendar, but you can make this go to its own view if that is preferred. You can be notified if an event is created or deleted by a teacher. You can create as many groups and options within a group as you want. You can rank and color code too. There are also options for how many events can be created within that option per period of time and how many days forward a teacher could sign themselves up for. All events have a title, but you have the option to have a reason, teacher, 2 custom fields, technology selections, and a description. Furthermore, you have the option to force a drop-down of the actual scheduled map to the day or have open times available for staff to fill out. Reasons and teachers can be added or imported separately by clicking on the Reason or Teachers link. Schedule mapping is where you will assign schedule versions, labels, or color code specific days. This is also where you will be able to close the entire day from events being signed up for, or you can close specific locations and/or specific periods within a location. The event will load based on the fields you've selected to be enabled. You must select the location, the date, and then fill in the period or times. You can click a new instance to create a new location, date, and period. This provides you the ability to create as many locations and dates as you wish without having to individually create each event. Email confirmations can be sent to certain individuals provided their email address is filled in and can be sent immediately or a certain amount of days before the event occurs. Calendar reporting allows you to build customized reports based on the data you've collected. You can select or change any of the options, which include date, time, reasons, and teachers. Compiled statistics and graphs will be returned in addition to a list of all events that have been created across the date and time range.